States of Matter, Lecture 1, Part 2.
H2O and H2O ये बीच में, तो ये भी पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, ये भी डाइपोल अट्रैक्शंस, सिमिलैरिटी इज देयर, लेकिन ये फोर्स है कंपेयर टू दिस फोर्स ऑलमोस्ट 100 टाइम्स स्ट्रॉन्गर. दिस वन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर 100 times stronger. That's why we are discussing these properties completely in a separate topic. Okay. Now these three are comes under van der Waal forces. Van der Waal forces. Van der Waal force means not a single force. Van der Waal forces के अंदर ये 3 types है. London forces, dipole induced dipole, and ion dipole also is there. ठीक है, लेकिन ये it looks like dipole, but it is very stronger. That's why we are discussing separately. This type of intermolecular force is known as hydrogen bond. This is known as hydrogen bond. It is very specific. This hydrogen bond is very specific. क्या specific है? It is exists in between hydrogen and more electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Any one of these 3 elements. इस सब में पॉसिबल नहीं है. एक साइड तो हाइड्रोजन चाहिए, अदर साइड more electronegative atoms, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. और दूसरा condition, this hydrogen again connected with more electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. ये condition में ही hydrogen bond is existing, that is stronger. That's why we are discussing separately. Hydrogen bond is specific, means this is the specific. ये कंडीशन में ही इसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. इस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड 2 टाइप्स, इंट्रामोलिकुलर, इंटरमोलिकुलर, वो केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में ऑलरेडी यू डिस्कस्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज वन अनदर टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन, आयन एंड डाइपोल. दिस इज द डाइपोल. आयन डाइपोल अट्रैक्शंस, इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस, ठीक है. सो ऑब्वियसली तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो स्ट्रॉन्गर होगा, लेकिन इससे स्ट्रॉन्गर नहीं है. ठीक है. दिस इज आल्सो कम्स अंडर वैन डेर वाल फोर्सेस. सो कंपैरेटिवली डाइपोल थोड़ा ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर. ओके, द नेम ओनली इज देयर, क्लियर. आयन एंड डाइपोल इंटरेक्शंस. इसमें ज्यादा बोलने की कुछ नहीं है. One two example I will give you here. H2O hydrogen bond is there, intermolecular force stronger, right? Achha, one more point here regarding force. The first one, London forces, the biggest forces. The force is inversely proportional to 1 by distance, r to the power of 6. Okay, here the dipole moment में 2 formulas will come here. 2 formulas are there. One is same formula, F is directly proportional, inversely proportional to r to the power of 6, and one more is there, R cube. Okay, so why these 2 formulas are there? See, r to the power of 6 is whenever these dipole molecules are in the motion, in the mobile phase. If these molecules are moving here and there, that time the force is inversely proportional to distance, r to the power of 6. Okay, it is, you have to remember only formulas. इसका कोई application questions नहीं है, numericals नहीं. ठीक है. Now this is in the mobile phase. This is the stationary phase. Two molecules are there, वो fixed है. Fixed कब होते हैं? Generally solid में होते हैं. Okay. So in that case, F the inversely proportional to 1 by R cube, right? Stationary phase. Stationary phase. Stationary phase. ठीक है. Then let's get two formulas in it. Now, melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points वो कैसे रहता है? Generally, boiling point is directly proportional to intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Now you tell me, among these, which is the stronger intermolecular force?
Fourth one.
Hydrogen bond. ठीक है? That is the reason HCl is gas at room temperature, H2O is liquid at room temperature. You know that the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. इसका तो रूम टेम्परेचर में गैस मतलब वो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना होगा? मे बी लेस देन अराउंड -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है, देखो इतना वेरिएशन, सो मच वेरिएशन. मॉलिक्यूलर जनरली बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मोलार मास आल्सो. मोलार मास. ठीक है, इफ यू टेक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट मोलार मास तो HCl को जा रहा है. ठीक है, इसका तो 18 ओनली, 16 plus 2 18, बट 35 plus 1 36.5 ज्यादा होना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स इज डोमिनेटिंग. इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स इज डोमिनेटिंग, दैट इज डिसाइडिंग बॉइलिंग पॉइंट किसका ज्यादा है. सपोज इफ आई गिव यू HCl and HI, if I give you, obviously HCl and HI में HI को ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि तो दोनों सेम टाइप है. इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. हाँ, लेकिन HI is molecular mass more. Molecular mass more. That's why obviously इसका ज्यादा होगा. So, but we have to consider intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is very, very important. Okay, the class 12th also you will get one question while we are discussing groups, the inorganic chemistry. Same question they will ask. H2O is liquid. H2O is liquid, but H2S is gas at room temperature. Why? Answer is same. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is there. Hydrogen bond is there. And one more question is there, just relevant. Will come in the chemical bonding also. The HF and H2O, where the hydrogen bond is stronger. See, hydrogen bond के लिए what is the definition and what I told you? More electronegative atom है ना हाइड्रोजन के बीच में. ठीक है, more electronegative के बीच में तो obviously stronger होगा. HF is stronger than HO than HN. इसलिए NH3 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है, फिर भी वो गैस है, वो weakest forces है, that is only last. So अभी HF and H2O में where the stronger intermolecular forces are existing? HF. ठीक है, so हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड strength हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ. HF एंड H2O में किसका ज्यादा है? HF को ज्यादा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अगेन, HF is gas, H2O is liquid. Why? स्ट्रॉन्ग है ज्यादा मतलब मोलार मास तो HF को ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, इतना ज्यादा नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ कोर्स लेस है. बट अगेन intermolecular force is that is hydrogen bond only, but the thing is here in H2O only one hydrogen bond is there, but in H2O per molecule two hydrogen bonds are there. HF स्ट्रक्चर HF, एक मॉलिक्यूल बीच में हाइड्रोजन HF, ठीक है, वो ऐसा लीनियर शेप में ऐसे, ठीक है। एक मॉलिक्यूल पकड़े तो HF, सर इधर भी एक है उधर भी एक है, ऐसा दिख रहा है, लेकिन बेटा ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है ना, दिस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज कंबाइनिंग by these two molecules, so it is applicable only 50% for this molecule, here also only 50%, so मिलकर एक बॉन्ड हो गया। HF के लिए per molecule one hydrogen bond is exists in HF, but in case of H2O, water, hydrogen bond lone pair is there, here also one more lone pair is there, here one H2O hydrogen bond, two hydrogen bonds are with oxygen, this hydrogen is there, it is connected with one more water molecule, it is connected with one more water molecule, so एक molecule कौन से ये, total how many bonds are there? 4 hydrogen bonds are there, but per molecule होता है 2, per molecule 2, so individual strength is more in HF, लेकिन total magnitude of hydrogen bond will be more in water. कैसे, एक रफ वैल्यू देता हूँ for understanding purpose. So HF का होगा मे बी 80, उस स्ट्रेंथ का मैं न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू दे रहा हूं, इसका तो होगा मे बी 50, ठीक है, एक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड का, लेकिन 2 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है, 50 प्लस 50 100, तो 100 हो गया, तो 80 मतलब 80, so definitely that's why it is liquid. Okay, so this is just for understanding. Are you writing notes or not? Okay, start notes. First of all, what you will write? London forces. First one. London forces. These forces are exist in between neutral molecules. In between neutral molecule like helium and carbon dioxide molecules.
Sir, repeat.
Helium.
These forces?
These forces are existing in between neutral molecules. Neutral molecules. Example, helium and carbon dioxide. You draw like this. Rough figure. He and He, helium. It is a non-polar. London forces are dispersion forces. You can take your textbook, साथ में रखो, spellings कुछ अच्छे से लिखो. Then the force F, this London force F is inversely proportional to R to the power of 6. These forces are also known as instantaneous dipole attractions. Instantaneous dipole attractions. Here R is equal to 500 picometer. Approximate value this is. R equal to maximum. R maximum equal to 500 picometer. इससे ज़्यादा different deviation है तो these forces are not applicable. Next, second heading, dipole attractions. dipole attractions or forces. These forces exist in between dipole molecules. Example, HCl. This rough figure you write like this. HCl and HCl, partially positive, negative. This force, dipole. Here force F, inversely proportional 1 by r to the power of 6. Here 1 by r to the power of 3. 3 कब है स्टेशनरी पेज में, वो मोबाइल पेज. Next, third one. Dipole induced dipole forces.